How to share YouTube link on Instagram story. Here's how. First, open the YouTube app on your screen. Now scroll through until you find the video you want to share. Once you spot the video, tap on the three vertical dots located on the right side of the video. From the menu that appears, select Share. Then tap on the copy link to copy the YouTube video link. Furthermore, go back and open the Instagram app. You tap on your story at the top left of your screen to start creating a new story. Next, choose a photo or a video from your gallery that you want to use as the background. After that, select the sticker icon at the top of the screen. From the sticker option, select Link. Then paste the YouTube link into the box provided. Additionally, you can also customize the sticker text if you want. This text will appear instead of showing the full URL. Moreover, hit Done. If you want, you can also resize or reposition the link by dragging it around the screen. Lastly, click on your story to share to your story. And that's it. Now you know how to share YouTube link on Instagram story.